Welcome back to Learn German A2 edition. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Charlie. Episode 21. Let's go!
12 brand new A2 words today. Now, job, to jog, and more.
12 words. I'm ready.
Word 1.
Jetzt.
Now or at the moment?
Now. Jetzt refers to the present moment and can indicate a shift in topic or situation. Jetzt hören Sie bitte zu. Now please listen.
Jetzt oder nie.
Now or never. Announcing that one has just finished.
Wir können jetzt nicht reden. Ich bin beschäftigt.
We can't talk now. I'm busy.
Got it. Jetzt. Now or at the moment?
It contrasts with früher, formerly, before, and nachher, später, afterwards, later. Word 2.
Job. Job.
Is that job? I've seen der Job, die Arbeit, der Beruf before. How are they different?
Job. Der Job, masculine. Plural, jobs.
Wie gefällt dir dein neuer Job?
How do you like your new job? Announcing that you found a new job.
Hat seinen Job verloren.
He lost his job. Key distinction. Job equals job. Informal, often part-time or temporary. Arbeit equals work, job, general. Beruf equals profession, occupation. Formal, long-term career identity.
Der Job. Job. Plural, jobs. Different from der Job, bisli die Arbeit, der Beruf.
Job is an English loanword and is informal. Word 3.
Joggen.
To jog or to go jogging?
To jog. Joggen is an English loanword. The noun is das Joggen or der Jogginglauf.
Gestern bin ich 5 Kilometer gejoggt.
Yesterday, I jogged 5 kilometers. Describing a regular jogging habit in the park.
Joggen ist gut für das Herz.
Jogging is good for the heart.
Got it. Joggen. To jog or to go jogging.
Perfect auxiliary. Both sein and haben are used. Sein if a route/distance is implied. Ich bin 5 Kilometer gejoggt. Haben if the activity is the focus. Ich habe heute gejoggt. Word 4.
Jugendherberge. Jugendherberge.
Is that youth hostel? I've seen die Jugendherberge ist das Hostel before. How are they different?
Youth hostel. Die Jugendherberge, feminine. Plural, Jugendherbergen.
Die Jugendherberge in der Altstadt ist sehr beliebt.
The youth hostel in the Old Town is very popular. Staying overnight in a youth hostel while traveling.
Wir haben einen Platz in der Jugendherberge reserviert.
We reserved a spot at the youth hostel. Key distinction. Jugendherberge equals traditional German youth hostel, part of an official network, DJH. Hostel equals modern private hostel, more international term.
Die Jugendherberge. Youth hostel. Plural, Jugendherbergen. Different from die Jugendherberge, epaukle das Hostel.
Jugendherberge is a compound. Jugend, youth, plus Herberge, inn or lodging. Word 5.
Jugendliche. Jugendliche.
Is that young person? I've seen der, die Jugendliche, equals der Teenager before. How are they different?
Young person. Der, die Jugendliche, Neuter. Plural, Jugendlichen. Also Teenager.
Der Jugendliche hat nach dem Weg gefragt.
The young person asked for directions. Describing young people's social media habits.
Wir arbeiten mit Jugendlichen in der Schule.
We work with young people at school. Key distinction. Jugendliche equals young person aged roughly 13 to 18, the official German term. Teenager equals English loanword, same age range but more colloquial.
Der, die Jugendliche. Young person. Plural, Jugendlichen. Different from der, die Jugendliche, equal der Teenager.
Jugendliche is an adjectival noun. It declines like an adjective. Der Jugendliche, ein Jugendlicher, die Jugendliche, eine Jugendliche. Word 6.
Jung.
Young? Close to jung, alt?
Young. Jung has an irregular umlaut in comparative and superlative. Jung, Junge, am jüngsten.
Sieht für sein Alter sehr jung aus.
He looks very young for his age, commenting that someone is still very young at 16.
Als ich jung war, habe ich viel Sport gemacht.
When I was young, I did a lot of sport.
Got it. Jung, young. Different shade from jung or alt.
Related nouns: die Jugend, youth, der Jugendliche, young person. Word 7.
Junge. Junge.
Is that boy? I've seen der Junge, das Mädchen before. How are they different?
Boy. Der Junge, masculine, plural, Jungen.
Der Junge heißt Tim und ist 8 Jahre alt.
The boy is called Tim and is 8 years old, a small boy playing in the garden.
Alle Jungen in der Klasse spielen gern Fußball.
All the boys in the class like playing football. Key distinction: Junge equals boy, male child, Mädchen equals girl, female child. Direct gender opposites for children.
Der Junge, boy. Plural, Jungen. Different from der Junge, das Mädchen.
Junge follows the weak noun declension, N declination, always adds N in gena, dat, akigen. Word 8.
Kaffee. Kaffee.
Is that coffee? I've seen der Kaffee, apparently der Espresso before. How are they different?
Coffee. Der Kaffee, masculine, plural, cafés.
Möchten Sie Kaffee oder Tee?
Would you like coffee or tea? Drinking coffee is part of a daily morning routine.
Ich habe heute schon 3 Kaffee getrunken.
I've already had 3 coffees today. Key distinction: café equals regular filtered or brewed coffee. Espresso equals small concentrated shot. Both use café beans.
Der Kaffee. Coffee. Plural, cafés. Different from der Kaffee, der Espresso.
Café has no plural in general, uncountable, but drei Kaffee, 3 coffees, equals 3 cups. Word 9.
Kalender. Kalender.
Is that calendar? I've seen der Kalender plonk der Terminplaner before. How are they different?
Calendar. Der Kalender, masculine, plural, Kalender. Also, diary, planner.
Der Kalender hängt an der Wand.
The calendar is hanging on the wall, entering appointments into a calendar.
Ich habe den Termin im Kalender markiert.
I marked the appointment in the calendar. Key distinction: calendar equals calendar, wall desk showing dates. Terminplaner equals diary, planner, for scheduling appointments. Calendar is the general term.
Der Kalender. Calendar. Plural, Kalender. Different from der Kalender ist bald der Terminplaner.
Calendar covers wall calendars, desk calendars, and digital calendars. Digitaler Kalender. Word 10.
Kalt.
Cold, close to kalt, warm, heiß.
Cold. Note the impersonal construction. Mir ist kalt equals I am cold. Literator.
Heute ist es kälter als gestern.
Today it is colder than yesterday, describing cold winter weather in Germany.
Der kälteste Monat in Berlin ist Januar.
The coldest month in Berlin is January.
Got it. Kalt. Cold. Different shade from kalt with warm, heiß.
To me is cold, not ich bin kalt, which means I am cold-hearted, frigid. Word 11.
Kamera. Kamera.
Is that camera? I've seen die Kamera, der Fotoapparat, before. How are they different?
Camera. Die Kamera. Feminine. Plural, Kameras.
Die Kamera ist kaputt. Das Bild ist unscharf.
The camera is broken. The image is blurry. Receiving a new camera as a birthday gift.
hat die Kamera auf das Stativ gestellt.
He placed the camera on the tripod. Key distinction. Camera equals camera. General term includes video/film cameras. Photoapparat equals camera specifically for still photography. Camera is more common today.
Die Kamera. Camera. Plural, kameras. Different from die Kamera, der Fotoapparat.
Kamera is used for all camera types. Digital camera, digital camera, video camera, handy camera, phone camera, Überwachungskamera, security camera. Word 12.
Kaputt.
Broken or out of order?
Broken. Kaputt has two meanings. 1. Broken, out of order. Das Radio ist kaputt. 2. Exhausted, worn out. Ich bin total kaputt. I'm totally exhausted. Very common in spoken German.
Das kaputte Handy liegt auf dem Tisch.
The broken phone is lying on the table, reporting that a bicycle is broken and not working.
Wann ist die Waschmaschine kaputt gegangen?
When did the washing machine break down?
Got it. Kaputt. Broken or out of order.
Key verbs. Kaputt gehen, to break, stop working. Kaputt machen, to break, destroy something. And that is all 12 words for episode 21.
Jetzt. Job, joggen, Jugendherberge, Jugendliche, jung, Junge, Kaffee, Kalender, kalt, Kamera, kaputt.
7 nouns and 2 verbs. Quite a spread. I love this series.
2 things to take away above all else from today. First,
Jetzt.
jetzt refers to the present moment and can indicate a shift in topic or situation. Jetzt hören Sie bitte zu. Now please listen. And second,
Kaputt.
kaputt has 2 meanings. 1. Broken, out of order. Das Radio ist kaputt. 2. Example.
Locked in. See you in episode 22.
See you next time und auf Wiederhören.
Auf Wiederhören.